Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Happy Tuesday, happy Wednesday, whenever this video is going up. Today we are twisting it a little bit. We are doing the May Boxycharm unboxing. I have my box open here, but today we're going to be testing out the products as we go. I'm gonna let you guys know what I like, what I don't like, do I recommend them, and that way you guys can see them in action. With that said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video so I don't keep talking and blah 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 blah. If you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, hello, where have you been? This is literally the best monthly subscription services ever. I have tried other ones and Boxycharm is where it's at. So you pay $21 a month and you get 3 to 5 full-size items. And the box is always worth way more than the price. For the month of May, it is the Boxy Bash, which looks like this. And as always, on the back of the cards, you get told what products are in here. So the first thing that we're gonna go in with is the COVERFX Blurring Primer. This is a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrush look. We are going to put her to the test. Now this COVERFX blurring primer, it retails for $38. That's already way more than what you paid for the box. So that's what it looks like. It's literally has the same consistency as the Benefit Professional. We're gonna see. I'm going to take this little brush that I have from Stilazzi, and it is a brush meant to apply your primer. So we're just going to spread it out. So there we have the primer. I know that you can't tell nothing as far as primers unless you apply your foundation. My pores do seem a little bit tighter, but we are going to go in with a foundation. I'm just going to fast forward this part because we're not reviewing the foundation. Let's move on to contouring this round tortilla face. We also got this PUR Sculptor Palette. Now this one retails for $30. Girl, that is already $68. And this box is worth $21. Yes! Now the inside is gorge. The only thing that I have to say that I didn't like about this PUR Cosmetics palette is that this isn't very universal for a lot of skin tones. This is more aimed for like darker skin tones. Now I don't know if other people with lighter complexion got a lighter shade, but me being a morenita, this is what I got. I want to know if you guys are lighter skinned than me, if you also got the same shades, because I don't think this would look very nice on very fair skin. Anyway, we also got some brushes. We got a 4-piece brush set. This is by AESTHETICA. These are synthetic fiber brushes. Now these retail for $27 for all 3 of these, which really isn't bad. I'm going to use this one right here to contour. I'm not going to use this one because I don't have a purpose for it, or this one, but I am going to use this one later on. So let's start off by taking the darkest shade just to contour the cheekbones a little bit. And then I'm going to pick up the other shade. Oh yeah, see, that's way dark. I don't think I like this actually. I thought I was really going to like it, but the colors are just too dark. They're too brown to the point where they're making me look way too ashy. These are nice to contour, like just do a little bit of contour and then go in with a bronzer. But do you see this? It's just looking way too cool toned for my taste. I added a little bit of bronzer and blush and it definitely does look better, but as you can see, it looks almost a little bit dirty, like muddy, because it is such a cool tone color. So not a big fan of these, but let's test out the highlights and we're gonna test them both out. Let's start off with the top one here. We're gonna go with Originator. Oh wow, that's really pretty. It's very finely milled, so it doesn't look chunky or heavy. It literally just like melts onto the skin. So let's try out Trailblazer, which is a gorgeous, more golden color. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. I love, 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 love this one. Do you guys see how intense the pigment is? Okay, I love this palette. It's not so much the contour colors, but I do like these highlights. Really pretty. I'm definitely going to keep them just for the highlight and for the convenience of traveling with them. Next up, we got this. Oh, I'm so excited for this, you guys. It is the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. Now this one retails for $24. This is a highly pigmented gel eyeliner that provides quick drawing application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Wow. It is creamy and water resistant, so I am interested in seeing that. So what we're going to do is we are going to be taking this eyeliner brush that came in the AESTHETICA set. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of like the 1900s or whatever times they used to use this with those little feathers and then they used to write. There we have the eyeliner. I love this. It has to be my favorite thing out of this entire box and this eye gel brush. It's amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face and then we will be back and put on a lipstick because we do have a lipstick to put on. Let's put on the lipstick. This is the Boxycharm, or I think it's a collab. I don't know, but this is what the packaging looks like. It is by Beauty. Oh, this is by Beauty Creations. I love this brand. It is super affordable. It is the matte lip gloss. Now this one retails for $10. Super affordable, and it is a big old thing. This is in the shade Sweetheart. And there you have the liquid lipstick. That wraps it up for today's Boxycharm unboxing. I would love to know what you guys got in your box and what your favorite item was. Mine, I would have to say, would be this one. I love the packaging. I love the eyeliner itself. It's really pretty. Let me know what you guys got. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.